How to maximize your earnings as an Uber driver. Hello and welcome to the channel everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To maximize your earnings as an Uber driver, firstly identify peak hours in your area and prioritize driving during those times. Stay informed about local events and adjust your schedule accordingly so that you can get more passengers. You can take short breaks to avoid fatigue but minimize time off the road. Now, you need to know about location optimization. You will have to identify areas with high passenger demand such as business district, tourist attractions and entertainment venues. These locations often have a steady flow of passengers. Be aware of surge pricing areas and capitalize on increased rates. Provide top-notch customer service to encourage positive rating and referral. So those are some of the strategic way to get yourself maximum earnings on your Uber. That brings us to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.